So I'm Richard Burton, I'm Technology Director for Utilize. We're an outsourced IT MSP service provider based in London, covering London and the South East. So we had quite it was a very old ITSM package. In all honesty, from the ground up, it wasn't written for IT service. We'd kind of butchered it to work for us as a business. And in turn, we'd also found that we'd changed the way we work to fit the package rather than the other way around. So a key thing for us picking a new piece of software was to be able to re-engineer the way we work as a business. We've customised the core elements of Cherwell. Being an MSP, we've customised it literally the out-of-the-box content to fit the MSP environment that we use. But certainly the implementation was straightforward, and the development of the package is simple and easy to develop. We wouldn't have been able to scale to the business we are today, certainly not using our old existing ITSM package. So using Cherwell has enabled us to grow the business, streamline, bring efficiencies in, and use automation processes and drive process through the business rather than people having to manually work through workflow processes, allowing the system to drive the process. I think there's definitely an efficiency with the service desk, the way we're managing the service desk, the way we manage contracts as well. It's giving us the reporting and the data that we've never had before on a contract and on a customer and how they're using our services. One of the big things we've been able to measure, going back to how customers use the service, is actually what customers are profitable, what customers are using the service too much, and trends within the customers' businesses and our business. Having the data to be able to report on it, that's what we've not had before. I don't think the product ever sits still from a development point of view, certainly not in our business. There's always new requests, new services we want to, and options and modules we want to look at in there. One of the big things we're working on at the moment is integration to the Microsoft Partner Center for billing and consumption-based billing for products like Office 365, Microsoft Azure. So working with Cherwell allows us to do that in a codeless environment. You've always got to look at the cost of implementing any change or change of business process, new software, anything like that against the business benefits, and that's always an ongoing thing that we look at with any change. In our environment, very easy to think of an idea that doesn't scale. So on the Cure side, we need to make sure any innovations we make within the platform and within the business will scale, not just for us or that one client, but will scale for the 600 plus clients that we actually look after through Cherwell.